Here is how you turn on Samsung Galaxy A13. So the first way, I'm assuming you know this, but if you don't, you just press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. The second way is if the power button doesn't seem to turn on the phone, you're going to try this instead. So we're going to press and hold both power and volume down, and we're going to keep these two held down for between 30 and 45 seconds. So my phone is like turning on fine, but if yours is not, just press and hold these two down, keep them held down 30 to 45 seconds. So what may have happened is the phone software may have glitched. And if that's the case, by holding these two buttons, we do a forceful restart. And if done, good, you'll see the Samsung logo for 4 seconds and then release. If your phone is genuinely frozen, you may have to press the buttons for longer than I do in the video. Now, if your Samsung A13 has a broken power button, then we can't use that solution. So if your power button is broken, carefully watch what I do, as if you mess this up, your phone will essentially be stuck on a screen you don't want it to be stuck on. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug the phone into the charger, and this must be to a Windows, Mac, Android phone. And then once we connect the phone, we're going to press and hold power, volume up and volume down at the same time. But please keep on watching, you'll understand why in a second. So I'm going to connect the phone, quickly press and hold volume up and volume down, and then release when we see this screen. So if we click volume up, okay, our phone will be stuck, and it'll be stuck on this screen. The only way to get out of this screen is with the power button, which is broken. So you want to make sure you're very careful here. We're just going to click and release volume down. So click release volume down, and it's going to restart the phone. So now the phone will restart. If you've done all these steps and nothing's working, the phone just doesn't seem to turn on at all, then what may have happened is the battery cable may have unplugged from the phone, or the display cable was unplugged. So the fix is simple. So first, make sure the Samsung is not connected to any power. We're then going to go to the back of the phone, and with our two thumbs, we're just going to push as hard as possible all the way across the back of the device, put maximum force into this one. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to push back in the battery cable or the display cable that has unplugged. So I'm just going to go all the way around. I'm doing this a little bit quicker for the video, but you want to put maximum force into this. And then we're just going to do the same for the front of the screen. Do the full front of the screen. I'm just doing this quickly for the video. You want to press down for the full front of the screen. We're also going to get 2 fingers, and we're just going to tap as hard as we can on the back. You won't damage the phone, though. This may hurt your hands a little bit. So just do the full back, and then we're going to do the same for the front. So again, we're just trying to get that connection for the battery cable or the display cable back in. Once this is done, we'll try just pressing and holding the power button. That works, awesome. But if not, press and hold power and volume down, and then keep these two held down for 30 to 45 seconds. If still not working, then your phone unfortunately will have to be booked in for repair.